Welcome to day 32. Today's word is doubt. Doubt is sneaky. It doesn't always shout. Sometimes it whispers. Sometimes it creeps in like a fog, quietly filling the spaces between our confidence and our calling. But those whispers can be louder than truth if we let them. Doubt has a way of weaving itself into the fabric of our lives. It shows up at the edge of opportunity. It rises when you are about to step forward. It slips in when you finally feel ready. And suddenly a voice interrupts. What if you fail? What if you're not enough? What if you are fooling yourself? Doubt thrives in the shadows of rejection. It feeds on disappointment. It disguises itself as protection. But the truth is, it's paralysis. Think of how many times doubt has delayed you. How many dreams sat untouched because you questioned if you were worthy? How many words you swallowed because you weren't sure if anyone would listen? How many doors closed not because you weren't ready, but because doubt told you not to knock? But hear me, doubt is not a prophecy. It doesn't know your future. It only echoes your past. And you were never meant to live in echoes. You were meant to live in truth. Every time you chosen to rise despite trembling knees, you defied doubt. Every time you spoke with your voice shaking, you silenced its grip. Every time you took one step forward when everything in you screamed stop, you proved that doubt may exist, but it does not own you. The opposite of doubt is not certainty, it's trust. Trust that even when you don't see the full picture, Spirit does. Trust that even when you don't feel ready, you are equipped. Trust that even if the world questions you, your worth has already been sealed in the heavens. Doubt says, wait until you are perfect. Spirit says, move now because I am with you. So when doubt rises, and it will, you don't have to bow to it. You don't have to delay your life to satisfy its questions. You can breathe and you can say, I will not shrink. I will not delay. I will not hand over my future to fear disguised as doubt. I trust. I believe. I move. Because your life is not meant to be half lit. You were born for fullness, not hesitation. And the same Spirit who brought you this far will not abandon you now. Today's challenge. Take one step beyond doubt. Write down the lie doubt has been whispering, then write Spirit's truth beside it. Take one small step toward the dream you've delayed. Speak out loud, I am enough, I am ready, I am called, until it feels real in your body. Do one thing today that doubt has tried to keep you from. You don't need proof before you move. Your step is the proof. Before we anchor this word, pause with me. Doubt loses its grip when it is named and replaced with truth. So take these prompts slowly. Let them guide you deeper. What doubt has been shaping my decisions, and what truth can I choose instead? What would I do today if I fully trusted that I was already enough? How has doubt tried to disguise itself as protection? And how can I reclaim that space with faith? Now take a deep inhale in and exhale slowly. Let your shoulders soften, let your heart steady, and speak these words with conviction. I am enough. I am equipped. I walk in truth, not doubt. Again. I am enough. I am equipped. I walk in truth, not doubt. Let's take this moment together and close in prayer. Bring one hand to your heart and gently close your eyes. Spirit, you see every place where doubt has lived in me. You see the dreams I've delayed, the words I've swallowed, the opportunities I've turned away from, all because I didn't believe in myself. But today, I surrender doubt at your feet. I name it, I renounce it, I refuse to let it decide my future. Spirit, deliver me from doubt. Break every lie that says I am not enough. Silence the voice that questions what you have already confirmed. Tear down the walls that hesitation has built around my heart. Fill me with your truth. Remind me I am chosen. Remind me I am equipped. Remind me I am loved. Remind me I am ready. Not because I hold all the answers, but because you walk with me. Strengthen me to move even when I feel uncertain. Give me boldness to speak even when I question my voice. Root me so deeply in faith that doubt cannot uproot me again. And over every soul gathered here, I declare doubt will not define you, doubt will not silence you, doubt will not hold you hostage. You are free, you are called, you are enough. Spirit, let your truth be louder than every whisper of doubt. Let your voice carry us where fear once stopped us. Let us rise, not because we are flawless, but because we are filled with you. Amen. Doubt may whisper, but it is not your truth. Your truth is stronger, your faith is deeper, and your future is waiting. I'll meet you here tomorrow for day 33. Same time, new word. Until then, walk forward, not in doubt, but in trust. From my heart to yours, I am always with you.